Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Apex Legends stuck on loading screen. Let's fix it guys. Unfortunately, there is not one solution that works for everybody, so you need to try each of these steps to find the one that works for you. First step, you just need to open up File Explorer, go to this PC. If you have any USB device or external devices connected to your computer, then you just need to right click on it and select eject, or you can simply remove the USB stick from your computer. This sounds weird, but this worked for more people on Reddit. Second step is to verify integrity of game files. To do this, open up Steam, right click on the Apex Legends and select properties. Select install files and select verify integrity of game files. After that, just close stuff here. Third step is to update graphics driver. To do this, for NVIDIA users, use the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience installed in your PC, then check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, you just need to use the AMD write-down software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After that, just to close stuff here. Fourth step, you just need to open up Steam, right click on the Apex Legends and select properties. Select install files and select browse. Now you just need to scroll down and find r5apex.exe. Right click on it and select properties. Select compatibility tab, and you just need to check mark disable full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator. Select apply and OK for save changes. And after that, just to close stuff here. Fifth step is to disable background applications. To do this, right click on the taskbar and select task manager. In processes tab, you just need to end task for unnecessary background apps, especially any overlay or recording software like Discord, NVIDIA, GeForce Experience, etc. After closing that, you just need to close stuff here. The sixth step is to reset your network settings. To do this, go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for this command used in my video. Just to copy and paste it one by one. After finishing all these commands, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of Apex Legends being stuck on the loading screen. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.